Hi, this is day 22 of a little reminder for all of us. Instead of approaching from a place of lack, we must think from the abundance of the Lord. So, meron ako isang friend na mag-share siya ng Word of God sa mga tao. And then during his preparation, sabi ko, kamusta na yung preparation mo? Ang sabi niya, ang daming kinagawa ng kaaway. And I believe his response is true. Naniniwala ako na marami talagang ginagawa ang kaaway para mangwasak, pumatay, manira. Yan yung trabaho ng kaaway. Pero mayroon pang isang truth na kahit maraming ginagawa ang kaaway, mas maraming ginagawa ang Panginoon. Take note, mas maraming ginagawa ang Panginoon. So do not focus on enemy's work, but from God's grace, victory, and miracles in our lives. We must approach life from the abundance of the Lord. So yan, see you tomorrow. So basahin niyo yung 1 John chapter 4 verse 4 and then i-comment niya.